people? It's Dave with Lost Farms Homestead. We're at the house in town right now. Getting ready to get some work going for the weekend. We have to break down and pack up a lot of stuff and get it staged for the truck. We're picking up the truck on Friday. One of the things that we're doing today is one of the adult children has a project vehicle in front of the house, and we're going to load that up and get it down to her garage so it's not in front of the house when it sells. And then after that, we're going to be breaking down stuff inside the house and taking care of a bunch of stuff in there. So yeah, last weekend before we're out, so real busy. Stick around. Thanks. So what we need to do is we need to get that on the dolly. So yeah, I might need to back it. I left some space so that we would have a little running room if we had to push it. So I got the jumpers. We're going to try to jump it, and if that don't work, we're going to have to push it. So stick around.
That should be fun.
Yeah, fun. All right. Alright, so this isn't doing anything. Currently the battery's dead or something, so we're gonna have to push it. Okay. Alright, so while we're waiting for a little more muscle to show up to push that car up on the trailer, we're going to disassemble this monster beast and get it broke down so we can get it out of here. So, alright. So that's the table. Right there, we got the other pieces, don't need to be wrapped, they're all metal, so, except for the wood runner across the bottom, but we're not really too concerned about that, so. That's the table, so we'll get that staged up and ready to go, so stick around, thanks. Alright, so as I'm sure was obvious, we're having some trouble getting that truck up on the trailer. I'm not sure exactly what we're doing. She's making some phone calls trying to see if she can work something out. We might end up having to get it towed or calling someone to come and get it, but yeah, I'm not sure what's up with that just yet. So I am going to go through here and start staging this stuff in this area, clean this out and mop it. And then start staging stuff in this area so it's easy when we pull the truck up, we'll just run it right out and put it in the truck. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Stick around. Thanks. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna get more stuff going on here. So I'm gonna figure out what's going on with this truck out here, and then we're gonna either get it moved or go return the trailer and take some stuff to Goodwill, and we got some stuff for recycle, and then we'll be back. So stick around, see what's going on. Thanks. Alright, so I'm out here in the backyard at the house in town, and we've cleaned up this backyard here. We got this pretty much ready to go. So I got these group of plants here, and these ones were taken to a friend, so, and all of that, and then all of this is going, and the bikes are going, and we're gonna pull the grill as well. So, but yeah, and then this is the big part right here. So, but yeah, we got everything cleaned up and ready to go in the backyard, so I just got to get inside and get the rest of that cleaned up, and then packed and staged. So I'm gonna go pull, we have a bunch of stuff in boxes upstairs. I'm gonna bring that downstairs and stage it in the dining room area. And then the only thing we really have left, we have to break down the desks, because we use those for work, so we got to keep those up as long as possible. So we'll probably break those down like Thursday or Friday night. And then, you know, our beds are already just mattresses on the floor. We broke those all down and put those out there. So, and then once we get that done, it's just a matter of getting everything staged and ready to go. So yeah, I'm gonna go start moving stuff from upstairs, so stick around. Thanks. Okay, so we've got the upstairs. This is what's left of the office, just the necessary stuff. I got a little bit of trash here I need to get rid of, that little bit, and then we're all clean. We still need to come through and, you know, pick up all the little stuff and vacuum and clean up a little bit, but that's mostly done. The other two rooms are done. I got a few things in here I still got to get rid of, and we got to clean up over here. This is kind of a mess. I'm gonna purposely not show you that because it's kind of gross, but that is where we ended up. So we got most of this stuff all moved from the upstairs to the downstairs. So all we got left up there is a little bit of stuff in Drew's room, and then our two office areas, and then a little bit of cleaning. And then we got to finish the garage, and then there's a few other small things, but we'll probably finish those up in the evenings and whenever we have time between now and moving time. So I'm gonna call that good for now. I got some other things I still got to take care of tonight. Yeah, so I'm gonna handle this stuff, and then we're gonna call that good for right now. And I'll start it up next week while we're loading the truck, and then we'll do the drive, and then when we get there. So that'll be next week. So stick around, see what we're doing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next week.